Ladies and gentlemen, there's a new Ferrari in town and a whole lot of questions. Is it just a car? Is it a weapon? And most importantly, will it be worth the wait? Meet the Ferrari 296 GT3, the Prancing Horse's most recent and possibly most elegant production. As always, we're here to quench your thirst for answers and provide you with all the juicy gossip on its price, horsepower, and top speed, while taking a peek into its future, come 2023. So, let's take a look. The Ferrari 296 GT3 is a dashing automobile that boasts a remarkably vibrant red exterior on par with the beauty standards of any Ferrari. This thing's got an improved aerodynamic package and 20% more downforce than required to effortlessly cut through the air on any track. One important thing you must know about this car is that it's the track-worthy version of the Ferrari 296 GTB road car released last fall. This new design combines and reorganizes all of the previous features and improves them to provide you with a unique racing experience. In other words, the 296 GT3 is sort of the new baby brother that will outsmart the big guns in their own game, and probably cost much more. But more on that later. This thing sports a powerful twin-turbo V6 engine with a maximum output of 709 Nm peak of torque and 602 HP. While that's a lot less than its predecessor, it's all the gumption it will need to win any race, and also impress all your buddies. Sadly, there isn't enough room to fit them all in here, but you'll still get to enjoy an equally satisfying ride with dazzling LED lighting and cool air conditioning at your fingertips. The interior houses a user-friendly cockpit with easily accessible controls designed to suit your needs, whether you desire to win a ferocious race on the world's most prestigious circuits or simply immerse yourself in pure excitement. The best part? The adjustable pedals make this track weapon suitable for all kinds of drivers, whether we've got the height of basketball legends or if well, you know what I mean. When discussing its price and top speed, we can look no further than its forerunner, the Ferrari 296 GTB, which costs over $320,000. Considering that Ferrari's latest model may aim higher, we advise you to start raking in every penny if you have any plans to cruise in it. There's more. The GTB also has a jaw-dropping top speed of over 205 miles per hour, reaching an incredible 124 miles per hour in 7.3 seconds and 62 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. That's the kind of capacity, and more, that you should expect from the Ferrari 296 GT3. Since Ferrari has gone mute on all the specifics, you'll simply have to patiently await the Ferrari 296 GT3's debut race at the Daytona 24-hour event next year if you want to uncover more of its secrets. But don't go glum just yet. 2023 is much closer than you realize. But what do you think? Do you believe the Ferrari 296 GT3 will live up to the hype, or has it got very big shoes to fill? Let us know in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, as we will definitely bring you updates on this breathtaking sports car and countless others. Thank you for tuning in, and see you next time.